All right, Paul has managed to string together two pretty nice days in a row, and early August, no less. But before we get into that, a tropical storm brewing.
A new tropical storm has just taken shape in the Atlantic Ocean. It was a tropical depression. Now it's been upgraded. Wow. So we're going to start there, and then we'll return a little closer to home. So we have some showers starting to spread in from the west and southwest. The new tropical storm is off the Atlantic coast. So you were looking at swirl of clouds, and that is now Tropical Storm Gert. So we've made it to G in the alphabet. This one, fortunately, does not look like it's going to have an impact on any populated area. So it's gotten its act together to a greater extent today. So it reached that 39-mile-an-hour wind threshold, and that's when it officially becomes a tropical storm. It's going to race off to the north here over the next couple of days. It's going to stay in between the east coast of the United States, so avoiding all those populated areas there, and also to the west of Bermuda. That's that little island that's hanging out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. So avoiding all populated areas. It's going to be an issue for shipping concerns, but then it's going to even avoid the maritime provinces of Canada, move off into the North Atlantic. So tropical storm, but it's not likely to have much of an impact on anything other than shipping concerns over the next several days. Take a look at the forewarned live radar. We do have some sprinkles and showers trying to move into the mid-state, but not having a whole lot of success just yet. A few showers showing up on the radar in Christian, Trigg, Stewart, and Henry counties, a little bit down into Benton County and Humphreys County as well. Sprinkles is the extent of what we're seeing here with these light blue shaded areas, and I think most of it still is evaporated before it hits the ground. I can't rule out the possibility that we're going to see a few showers holding together as we head into the evening hours, but it's about a 20 to 30% chance this evening. So go ahead with any outdoor plans during the evening hours. The better chance of rain is still off to our southwest. So this area of rain will kind of fall apart as it moves in, but there will be another one that takes its place, and that is going to increase our rain chances as we head past midnight and into the early morning hours tomorrow. So here's Futurecast as of midnight. Not much of a rain chance yet at that point. Maybe some sprinkles, some very light showers, but the more substantial rain is likely to be a factor for the Monday morning commute. So be planning ahead, maybe get to bed just a little bit earlier this evening and get out the door a little bit faster tomorrow to beat the rush and beat the rain. That's going to continue throughout the morning commute with widespread showers and a few thunderstorms, some locally heavy rain possible, but gradually pushing farther off to the east. By the afternoon tomorrow, we're talking about spotty showers and a few thunder showers still lingering in place, but generally lower rain chances as we go through Monday afternoon and into Monday evening. Looking outside right now, fair amount of cloud cover out there. This is the increase in clouds ahead of that chance of rain that's still farther out to our west. So we're going to see that increase in cloud cover tonight. It's going to help to limit our temperatures a little bit, but it's still muggy out there. 86 degrees right now in Nashville as of 5 p.m., 85 Smyrna, 86 degrees in Murfreesboro, still 88 degrees in Lebanon. A little bit cooler to the west where that cloud cover thickened up a little bit faster. You have some showers in the area in Paris, so you're only at 75 degrees right now, 79 degrees in Parsons. That 86 in Nashville will drop off a little bit as we head into the evening, so if you're heading down to the Sounds game, probably heading out the door pretty quickly here. Game time is at 6:35 this evening. A few showers possible, but don't let it delay you or dissuade you from going to the ballpark. Low 80s for game time, temperatures dropping into the upper 70s by the end of the game. So by 10 o'clock, we'll be in those mid to upper 70s. Low 70s early tomorrow morning. Not too much of a warm-up tomorrow. Only mid to upper 70s by noon and low 80s for highs tomorrow afternoon, about a half dozen degrees below normal because of the cloud cover, because of the lingering showers, even as they're not quite as widespread during the afternoon. Looking way ahead to Eclipse Day. The forecast is looking a little bit better. So we're 8 days away now. The most reliable long-range forecast model has kind of backed off on our rain chances. So that far in advance, you can consider this a very preliminary forecast, but a mix of clouds and sunshine and a slight chance of storms, and we'll continue to hope for the best as we get closer and closer to August 21st. For the upcoming work week, an unsettled weather pattern, a 30 to 40% chance of storms Tuesday through Saturday, pretty much in the afternoons. High temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s. Pretty typical for the middle of August. Joe?